How to set a picture from camera roll as a wallpaper on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go directly to your settings on your iPhone and scroll down up until you see your wallpaper options here. It's actually under accessibility and above Siri and search. Tap on wallpaper here and basically you will see all your wallpapers there. Now the next thing that you want to do is to scroll here and you will see this new wallpaper set up here and just tap on plus sign here. Now these will actually come out on the upper right. You will see photos, people, photo shuffle and emojis. So since we want to set a picture from our camera roll, tap on photos there and tap on albums and go to recents and basically you will see your camera roll. And what you want to do next is to choose the photo that you want to use. So let's say this photo, I want to use this as my wallpaper here. And then here on the upper right, you will see add. Tap on add there and set as wallpaper pair. Now, if you go back here, as you can see here, I have now set it. I have now set my camera roll picture as my wallpaper on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.